Now, looking right here on my screen, you can basically see that this is over $1,700 that I've made here from affiliate marketing. And this is simply from one simple website that I just started with in less than 2 weeks. Now, I've actually done affiliate marketing on a couple of other websites for a couple of years right now, and I've done over $100,000 in this particular space and even more. But then in this particular video today, I want to come down to the level where I will show you exactly how to do affiliate marketing from A to Z. Now, if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing and you've been hearing that affiliate marketing is hard, and you're thinking that, oh, because they say it's hard, I don't want to do it too, and they are coming up with a lot of this and that about affiliate marketing, and you feel like, oh, this is something I should not do, then you're absolutely mistaken, because this is actually one of the easiest business models you can actually get started with online right now that will fetch you a lot of profit for yourself. And I'm going to help you to understand affiliate marketing and start making profit in 6 simple steps. Just 6 steps, only 6 steps you just need to know, and you will start raking in a lot of money from affiliate marketing every single month. Now, if you go out there and see a couple of people who started affiliate marketing a couple of years back, you get to realize that their life has changed. These people are actually living and making as much as $5,000 to $10,000 every single month because of affiliate marketing. And let me even tell you the truth. The truth here is the fact that affiliate marketing is simply marketing that we all do every single day. Just that this one will actually get you paid. People really are relating this to network marketing, where it is bring one person and bring 2 person, and they think that that is the hard part of it. But then they actually leave out the fact where this is the basics of business, and because it is the basics of business, you definitely have to learn and master how this works in order to survive in the online space. That idea you want to go and jump onto right now is still going to use the same business model just like affiliate marketing does. So why do that? Just sit right back and learn with me. Now, these 6 simple steps I'm going to show you guys right here would help you as a complete beginner to get started with this process and make it even much more easier for yourself to follow through with. Now, this is more reasons why you actually will have to watch this particular video to the very end so that you can follow through with it and you can start scaling here. So the big question right here is, Franklin, if you're just starting affiliate marketing from scratch, what exactly are you going to do? I'm asking myself, and I want to show you guys exactly what I would do. This is exactly what I'm going to do right now. But before we go ahead with that, I'm going to simply help you explain what affiliate marketing is. Now, affiliate marketing is a simple process where you get to sell other people's products and you're making commissions from each of the sale. Now, it actually stems from where people actually have products, and because these products are quite good, you can actually recommend this product to other people who are in need of this particular product. And because you recommend this product to somebody, we're like, okay, just don't recommend and go. Recommend and also make money from this particular product. Now, this is exactly what it is. Most times, you actually buy something very good that has worked for you, and your friend is asking you, oh, where did you get this particular product? And you're like, oh, I bought this product here, I bought this product there. And they go ahead and buy this product, and guess what? Nobody remembers you. They don't even say the thank you note. But here, we're like, if you actually have somebody who needs this particular product, please give it to them, and when they buy the product, I will give you a commission from this particular product. And this is exactly what it is here, as simple as ABC. So now you understand that we have been doing this form of marketing, but we don't get paid. Affiliate marketing just allows you to actually start getting paid by doing the same thing you have been doing before now. Do you understand it? So it's as simple as that. Now, beyond this, we actually have the 2 different sides where you're selling affiliate products. Now, affiliate products can either be a digital product or a physical product. To be very honest, people are very much confused about whether they should sell digital product or physical products, but then I'm going to really say the truth and bring it up for you straightforward. It's more of like, if you're thinking of which one is going to make you much more profit, I will simply tell you that most digital products out there are going to make you a lot more for profit because they have a higher commission. Now, with affiliate marketing, all you simply want to do is to go ahead and figure out a particular product that you can actually sell, and once you're able to sell this particular product based on what you have people asking you about, you can actually figure out what the commission to this particular product is. It's very important. And once you figure out the particular commission, you can actually now understand how much you'll be making per the sale of that particular product. For example, if you are selling a 10,000 naira worth of product and the commission here is 1%, what does it simply mean? It simply means that your commission is going to be 100 naira. That means if you sell 10 of that particular product at 100,000 naira, you're going to be making 1,000 naira for yourself. And there are other cases where you get to see products where you get to sell and you're making as much as 50% commission, which means that if you sell a particular product that actually costs 10,000 naira, you get 5,000 naira for yourself. If you ask me, I would rather choose making 5,000 naira over 100 naira. What about you? Which are you going to choose? 5,000 naira commission or 100 naira commission? Let me know in the comment section below. And I know most of you guys are going to choose 5,000 naira commission because the money is much more, and you actually think that it is way better to actually make money money for yourself. Now, this is exactly the difference between a physical product as an affiliate and also a digital product. Now, physical products actually have cost of production, and because of the cost of production, most times their commission as affiliates is actually more lesser than that of digital products. Now, because the cost of production for a digital product can actually be taken away, it actually can give a higher commission. And this is where you get to see commission of product as high as 30, 40, or 50%, depending on whatever product it is. And this basically means that if you're actually going to ask me, Franklin, should I choose selling physical product or sell digital products? I'll simply tell you, focus on selling digital product, because beyond the low commission, you also don't want to start thinking of the hassles of selling a physical product. There are a lot of things involved there. And to be very honest, I love soft life. I know you love soft life too, and I would definitely want to choose selling digital products. We can actually be digitally delivered and everything is actually soft. Okay, now once we have this, we can start thinking about how we can actually start selling as an affiliate as quick as possible. And the very first step here, as you can see on my screen right now, is signing up on Sales. Now, Sales is actually an affiliate marketplace where you get to see a couple of products which you can actually get to start with, and you can actually start making commissions from there. Now, I'm going to go over to the website right now, sales.co. I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular website in the description of this particular video, so you can actually use the link and sign up and create an account for yourself. All you simply want to do here is to click on Join Sales, and you can create your account. But for me, I already have an account, so I can actually get to log into my account. Now, once I'm actually logged into my account right inside of here, you can basically see my dashboard. I've done over $1,700 in less than 2 weeks, and I'm going to still make a lot more money from on this particular space. Now, scrolling down, you want to go over to the marketplace, and as you can see on the marketplace right in here, there are just 3 products inside of here. But the thing is, there are going to be more products that are going to be on this particular marketplace basically. But I would usually say that most times, before products get to be published in the marketplace, there's actually a vetting process just to make sure that every product is 100% genuine, and they will help you as an affiliate do the work of testing out this product and being sure that it's going to deliver on its promises, so you don't have to do the work again. It saves you more time and all. So what I'm going to simply do is to come over here from the marketplace and pick up a product that I want to sell. Now, inside of this particular space, this is my product right here, and you can start up my product, because yes, I'm going to be giving you a lot. Now, I'm coming in here, I can click on promote, and once I click on promote right in here, you can see that the first thing you see here is your affiliate link. Now, this right here is your own affiliate link, and this is the same link that you're going to be using to sell the particular product to your audience. Copy this link and put it somewhere, because you would always need this link every single time. Now, once you actually have this link, what I want to do next is to actually go ahead and read this product and see what this product is all about. Now, in order to even get more understanding, I actually want to go over and check the sales page. I'm going to click on view sales page right in here, and I will gather more information about this particular product. So you can see here, this is the product, this is what it's all about. Okay, I'll read through the sales page. I'll see a couple of testimonials and all. It's a course about affiliate marketing, and okay, this is what it is. And once you have the insight, you now know how to sell a product. I always tell people, in order to sell a product properly, you need to have product knowledge. It is very important. It is very, very, very important. Now, this right here is what makes up stage 2 and stage 3, because what you want to do is to pick your product and make sure that you learn the product. And as you can see right in here, I'm actually learning my product, making sure I have a full understanding of the product, and I'm ready to sell the particular product right away. Now, what I want to do next is to come back to my sales dashboard. Now, I want to click this particular link, and this particular link is going to take me to view my JV page. Now, this particular JV page is going to be giving me access to every information I need to sell this particular product, from the flyers to the copies to the email templates to the WhatsApp templates to a couple of designs, and like a lot of perspective to this particular space. Now, that's what you're going to be getting in the JV page. And once you now get all of this is even helping you, because it's more of like a shortcut. Imagine when somebody gives you a product to sell and then shows you how to sell it and gives everything you need to sell it. The remaining thing is actually much more easier, because you already understand and you already have a full template on how to sell the product, and you're good to go. Okay, now having this, all you simply need to do is to go over to the next step. Now, the number 4th step right in here, which I'm going to share with you guys, is to create TikTok videos. Yes, now I'm actually choosing TikTok right now because TikTok is actually one of the most viral platform currently on the internet, and there is no other place you want to get quick traffic like TikTok. Now, in order to start creating your TikTok videos, all you want to do is to have your own TikTok account, tiktok.com, create an account, and you want to come over to this website. Look at this website right here. It's a secret website. It's called Answer the Public. Okay, and on this particular website, all you simply are going to be doing here is just to go ahead and you are going to be searching for different search phrases and questions that people are actually asking about affiliate marketing. So I'm going to come in here and I'll type in affiliate marketing, and I will tap on search. And once I tap on search right here, it's loading up, and it is going to show me all of the questions that everybody that is interested in affiliate marketing is answering. It's a secret cheat code, because with this you already know what they are asking, and you can create content with answers to their questions. That is just it, because people who are asking questions are most likely looking at signing up or getting started with something, but they are simply looking out for answers to all of the questions that they are asking. Now, these are all of the questions they're asking, and as you can see on my screen right here, let me cancel this away. It says, are affiliate marketing courses really worth it? Right? Are affiliate marketing programs legit? Let's go over and see. Can affiliate marketing make you rich? Can affiliate marketing make you a millionaire? And a couple of other questions. Now, I'm going to just pick out one and say, can affiliate marketing make you a millionaire? Now, when you come over to my TikTok account right in here, you can see a particular video I did where I actually answered a couple of questions. Look, just take a look at this particular video right in here, and you can see that I actually showed a couple of dollars on my screen right here. And beyond showing a couple of dollars, I was able to share with people how they can actually, make a couple of bucks like this from affiliate marketing. Now, I understand you're total beginners, and because you're total beginners, you might not have a couple of dollars to show on screen. But I can also tell you that that is actually not the factor that's making people to actually click and get started. All you simply need to have is your confidence and courage to create a series of videos like this one that people are very going to be interested in. Now, all you simply want to do is to go ahead and place your phone right in front of you and make videos. Do videos indoor. Go outside on the street and make videos. Answer question. Yes, affiliate marketing can actually make you a millionaire, and I'm gonna prove this to you right now. Look right here. This is Franklin Emmanuel, and this guy right here has actually made over $100,000 in affiliate marketing, and he's getting superb results. I want to show you how you can start affiliate marketing right now, and this will help you scale. Go ahead, click the link on my bio and join my program. Now, you see how that works. What I've simply done here is to leverage on somebody else's results, right? I'm actually leveraging on Franklin Emmanuel, and you can also use that as well. Now, with this, you actually want to go over to the next step, which on the next step right now, we are actually going to be doing a follow-up on WhatsApp. Now, remember we actually mentioned earlier that we told people with all of our videos that they should go ahead and click the link on our bio in order to join our program. Now, what you simply want to do is to create a WhatsApp group. Yes, create a WhatsApp group, and in that WhatsApp group, you actually want to be accepting people and getting them to join inside of that particular WhatsApp group. Now, this particular WhatsApp group is going to be what I call a follow-up WhatsApp group. Okay, it's going to be a follow-up WhatsApp group. Now, with my HPA program, I actually have a video webinar that I have actually been able to use to convert a couple of people who actually want to start with affiliate marketing. And this is exactly what I'm also going to give you as an affiliate. And with giving this particular video, all you need to do is to share the link to that particular video to everybody in your WhatsApp group. Yes, share the link to them. Let them know watch this particular video. This video is high converting, and afterwards, you actually want to now share your own personal affiliate link to them in the WhatsApp group. And with sharing your affiliate link to them in the WhatsApp group, you are going to be able to start making a couple of sales. And definitely, when you start making a couple of sales, what does it mean? It means you are already making money, right? You can actually start making money, and this is exactly what you need to do with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very simple and straightforward. You just don't know what to do and how to make it work for yourself. And this is actually a very simplified step-by-step process that will help you to start scaling right here. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, just do this and come back and give me results. Okay, if you have questions, if you have consent, let me know in the comment section below. I'm also going to be leaving the link to my WhatsApp community, and this particular link is going to be right down there in the description. Join my community, have access to me so they can actually ask me questions, and I will help walk you through this process, and you can actually start scaling and making more money from affiliate marketing. I actually want to raise 100 people who are going to be making $1,000 every single month from affiliate marketing, and you actually want to get started with this right now and jump on this ASAP. Also, I'm going to be giving access to my HPA program, which is actually going to be my one-on-one coaching program, where I would show you beyond what I actually shared here a couple more strategies on how you can actually get started with affiliate marketing and scale like crazy. You see, people are actually struggling with making a couple of sales with affiliate marketing. Sometimes you make your first sale and you're just stuck there, you don't know what next to do. Now, beyond this particular method, method, there are a lot more other methods that will help you to make much more money with affiliate marketing. And I'm actually going to be coaching you all through that and help you to scale to earning millions of naira monthly through affiliate marketing. Now, what you simply want to do is also to join my HPA program and get me to coach you one-on-one and show you exactly how I've done this myself and how you can replicate it as well. The link to my program is going to be in the description of this particular video. You can get access to it and join my coaching program for yourself. Okay, so do it right now to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.